Good morning, Fox. Today we got 2020 Dodge Ram Laramie with 6.7 liter engine, diesel engine. This is made for the Cummins. Today I will show you how I did it for replace the fuel filter was under the hood. This kind of particular thing, they got two fuel filters. One sediment water is under the truck, and the fuel filter is under the cab. Okay, I got in my hands the fuel filter. I buy in the dealership. It's made for Mopar for the Cummins. I will show you exactly what it is or how is the part. This element, the paper element, for filter some impurities on the fuel. Okay, I will open the box, but before they got diagram on the box how I did it for replace the fuel. Okay, they got one cap, plastic cap on the top, and they got one drain or purge or breather valves on the lower side for take off the air on the system before cranking. You remember, if you got diesel engine and they got air in the fuel tank or in the fuel lines, they don't easy to crank. So this way you use the lift pump and activated the lift pump for purge, take the air on the system before cranking. Okay, we continue. We take the diagram say take the cap, use your hand for take the fuel filter, don't use the tools, and then put the new filter, and they put a ring on the cap and put the cap back on the place and tight. It's plastic cap tight little bit. Use the socket, the inching at 1/8 inches for loose and tight the fuel filters cap. Okay, we continue. We show you the part. Okay, this is the brand new fuel filters. They come from instructions, but is the filters and the O-ring is the principal things. Part goes to the fuel lines for clean the dash on some impurities in the fuel. Okay, I will try to open one hand because another hand I got support my cell phone anyway. I will try to show you exactly what it is. Okay, they got another specifications set up on the. Okay, this is the part go stretch in the little bit pipe inside the housing with I got a two separated place for drain for the filter works perfectly. Okay, I will show you the diagram another specifications goes on the filter. Okay, it says the Ram 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel. This is a 2013, but I think it's the same filter. The 2013 goes 2020 because it's the Cummins diesel 6-cylinders engine. It's the same diagram was on the box. Okay, this is the valve for pour system or bleed the air on the systems and the fuel systems before cranking the truck. If you replace the fuel filter and you don't bleed or you don't purge or take the air on the system, it's not easy to crank. Okay, my friends. Anyway, I will continue. If you like this video, put a like, subscribe my channel, and share this video for another people. They can help replace the owner fuel filter in his truck for keep support other people was broke down the road. Okay, we're on the motor right now. I will use the inch and an A socket, inch and an A socket, and the ratchet tool for loose the cap, the plastic cap. Okay, this yellow is the bleed or the pour valve when you open and close, which is like work with like a clock movement, like okay, you take the cap off. Okay, the cap is off. What you say, the scale, use your hands, just the hands, for pull out the fuel filter. Hold your hands and pull out. Shake a little bit, maybe a little bit tight. Shake it or turn it and pull out. Okay. That's it. The next step is remove the O-ring. Wasn't the case on the housing. If you can do with your hand, use the flat, little bit flat screwdriver and remove it, the O-ring, and then take the new fuel filters, take the plastic cover, remove the plastic cover. Okay, we got a new filter on the hand, and we started put it back on the fuel filter housing. It's just a hand tight. We don't need using not any special tools. It's just take the used fuel filter and take the new fuel filter, remove the plastic cover, and then put a new fuel filter on the fuel filter housing. Okay, you hold for your hands. Okay, and stick it on the housing. Push it down a little bit. Next step, remove the old O-ring. Okay, because this is to protect the fuel leak. It continues and put the new O-ring. Okay, put the new O-ring and keep it on the groovy. Make sure all the ring is inside the groovy. Put a little bit grease, and then we'll put the fuel cap. Okay, after that, when you got it ready, so when you put the ring, you put the cap, needs to be open, the porch valve or for bleeder, this is yellow valve in the lower side, the housing, you open, leave open, and then goes to the truck, open the ignition key and push 2 times on the bottom for activated the lift pump. The lift pump, when it's activated, send to the fuel to the housing and drain the air on the system. When it started drop off all fuel for the porch valve, you close the porch valve and then turn the ignition key off. It's all ready to crank. Okay, my friend?
Ya
After
quedó
that,
trabajando al 100.
that will work perfect.
Este es un turbo diésel 16.7. No hay ninguna fuga, nada. Quedó trabajando al 100. No hubo ningún problema. Ya le cambiamos todo el petróleo, cambiamos el filtro, le mejoramos. 2020 Dodge Ram turbo diésel con motor 6.7 litros, cambio del filtro de combustible. Ok, Fox, vamos a esperar un rato que caliente. Mientras esperamos, nos hidratamos. Acá estamos